Hello guys, and welcome to this YouTube channel. I welcome you all to the first lesson we're going to have in this series of lessons. That's the introduction to Canva. So we're going to move from installing Canva, then creating an account, then I'll talk about the home page, everything that is in the home page. Then I'm also talk about the Canva editor. That's where you can design. So the tools you can use to edit text, edit shapes, edit images, that's the photo editor. I'm also going to customize the templates for you guys so that you can see. And then probably you are going to design a simple design, a simple customized template. Just customize the template, maybe personalize it. And so you can write your name, you can say Oliver Designs, Chisom Designs, and also say Stanley Designs and all of that. You understand? So that's it. This is just going to be a simple introduction. So let's move to the practical class.
Okay, now we are going to install the Canva app. So there are two ways in which you can have access to Canva, either by installing the Canva app, or using your browser. So now I'm going to go to Play Store and install Canva. So I'll type Canva and it will show me this. So this is the app. I'll click on install. Only about 7 MB. So it's very small. Either way, if you don't have enough space in your phone, you can launch Canva on your web browser and start designing right in your web browser. So later I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But let's install Canva app. So now it's already installed in my phone. I want to open it now. I'll click on the app and to launch. So this is what you see. You click on access all cookies, and either you can use your Google account and sign in, or your Facebook, or continue on that way. So I'll click on continue on that way. I'll use my email and password. So I would click on continue with email. I would then tutorial. So there is an email that is basically created for this tutorial. I'll click on continue. And my name should be Chukwuka. Continue. And I'll go to my email to get the code. So in my email, they already send the email, which is 703645. I'll go back and 703645. So right now they want to know more about me. So what will you be using Canva for? So I can click on anything. So I'll click on personal. So this is the Canva homepage. So Canva homepage is home to a lot of templates. If you don't know what is a template, I'll define it for you. A template is a design made by another person called a Canva creator. So there are professional graphic designers who apply to Canva to be creators. So what these guys do is that they're going to create designs and share it to people and share it publicly, so that once you come here or you use your search bar, you can find anything, virtually anything you need, you can find it here. And these are mostly social media designs. Canva is mostly used for social media designs. You understand? For example, now this food menu, now this poster now is a free. Like this is free. This is free. You can't get it anywhere else other than this. This Canva. This thing. So you can also design logos, posters. These are also posters, presentations, videos. Canva is also used to make videos. So Canva is both a flyer design, that is for static designs, or video editor. Canva also have a great photo editor. I'll show you guys. And right now I want to explain this homepage for you guys. So homepage is where you find a template. So when you come here, you have not yet come into the main design. So it's from this homepage that you now search for a template or select anything that will take you direct to the main design. So the main design is where you now do the stuff. So the first thing first, you can see a search bar. So when you click on this search bar, you can virtually search for anything. Lot of templates. Okay, this is a course, private English lesson. This is a pro flyer. It's only for those that have subscribed. But then even this one, but this is free, and a lot more. You can even fine-tune your search to include flyer or poster. Let me just search flyer. You see that you see a lot of templates. Some of them are free, some of them are pro. But then that's not where you are going to. I want to explain the home page for you. So this is home page. So directly under this search bar, you can see these categories of templates. So if you want to search for templates that are used for social media or video or presentation or documents or whiteboards or websites and more, these are categories. But all these are just to find the template you need. Then this is also another category: documents, mobile video, Instagram posts, your story, presentation, and lots more. These are also templates: Instagram posts, then mobile videos, presentations, posters. So this homepage is just all about templates. I think these beautiful posters are free. Okay, these beautiful posters are free. I think these are free. Anything that you don't, in any template that you don't find this small crown icon is free. So this is a pro because they use a pro feature, a pro element. Then this is the menu bar. This three line. This is the menu bar or menu button. When you click that, you see a lot of things. This is your account. When you click on your name, you see your account settings, which you can set. And after that, okay, this Magic Studio is, I'll tell you more about it later. This is your project, where you see everything you have done, your designs. Then templates. Clicking on templates will take you to the template tab, which is here also. Clicking here also will do the same. Then brands. This is the brand kit. And the brand kit is for pro users actually, where you can customize things and put there, so that when you are designing for your brand or for different brands, you can put brand elements. Then these apps, these are apps that are inside Canva. So these apps help you to do things that you can't do originally on Canva. So because the Canva editor has some limitations, you understand? So when you now use apps, some of them are for pro users and some for like normal free accounts. You use that to add more functionality to your design. Then this get help is for asking questions, create a theme, your attach and settings. Your settings, when you go to your settings, you can change your picture. You can upload a picture here. Your name, this is my name. Then your accounts, then login and security, like all these things are actually, I don't think you need it. Yeah, more interested in the design. So I've talked about this. These are just templates. Okay, so you can see this purple button in the center. When you click on it, you see custom size. If you want to create a document or a design that has specific size, then these are suggested document sizes. So document auto size your mobile video 1080 by 1920 pixels. Then Instagram posts, the size of your Instagram post is 1080 by 1080. Then your story, so all these are custom pre-made document sizes. So you can also start creating from your media. You can use your own photo to create. Well, let's use flyer now. So let's get a flyer. When you click on flyer, it will open a blank document, a blank design. This is the design. The edges, this white blank. Okay, it would automatically open this design tab. But then let me show you. So this is the Canva editor. This on purple edges is your design, the document. I can use design or document, it means the same thing. When you click on this design, you will see more options or more tools beneath. So this replace will tell you to replace this document, the background. So this your design or document has a default white color. So this is on a color mode. When you click on replace, it's to replace this background with a picture. When you click on it, it will tell you, okay, allow Canva to access photos or allow, and then it will show you photos in your gallery. Then upload, to upload an image. It's the same thing with uploading from your gallery. Then you see photos. This is the Canva photo library. So there are millions of photos that you can find here. All these are free to use. So when I click on this now, it have replaced the background with this photo. So then the next thing is color. If you don't want to use a picture for the background, you can use a color. When I click on color, you will now. So Canva is good in selecting colors. Now, any picture as in your design, it would automatically sample all the colors here and present it to you. So there are default colors, black and all the tints of black, dark, gray, white. You can see red, you can see blue, you can see green. You can also find gradients. So gradient is a new feature in Canva actually. The first time I started using Canva, you cannot use gradients, but then hopefully you can use gradients. So there is a lot of things you can do. Things of colors. You can also select colors by the hex code. So for example now, if I want white, you know white is what? F 6 Fs. I think so. You can see white. This D now, it will select this color. So this color has this hex code FFFFDD. You understand? So another thing is layers. Layers is also another new feature. Right now we only have one layer, which is the background layer, and there is more: copy, paste, comment, etc. So when you click on the outside of this your design or document, when you select everything from your document, this bottom two will disappear, and then you can now see your tabs. So when I click on this design, it will show me a lot of designs that have the same dimensions or size with this our document, our design. So you can see these are beautiful flyers, free of charge. This is not for pro users. Okay, this is for pro user. This is pro. For pro, it's just because they use the pro feature. When you select this pro, okay, it will tell you to pay money or try for free over 10 days. But then, I know this is free. But now, let's customize this food menu, restaurant food menu. This is a free template. So when you click on this restaurant, it will automatically open the test tools. So all these things are tools you can use for test. So you can edit. If you don't want to write restaurants, and you want to write, for example, you want to write your restaurant name. Let me say this is Chisom Restaurant or Chisom Restaurant. Let's edit and say Chisom Foods or Chisom Chisom. Okay, let's use a restaurant we know. We know Ntachosa now. So let's say Ntachosa. Ntachosa. This is a script font. So we'll change the font. So this second tool is to change the font. So Canva font library is huge. You can find hundreds of fonts here. So let's use Poppins bold. Let's say this. No, let's use Leaks pattern. Okay, Leaks pattern. And if I want to size, I can actually just drag this text box. So this purple boundary is the text box. So when I drag this like this, it will stretch. If I want to resize the text, I can actually click on this tool, font size, and then drag this slider, and it will be increasing. I can actually type in a value, let's say 60. It will increase. Or if I don't want that, because this is actually a little bit slow, I can use this handle to increase it. Increase, decrease, increase, decrease. So this is just easy. That also a food menu. So let's move. This is text styles. So your text styles heading. This is set for heading. This is set to heading now. If you want to change this to subheading, this is actually pre-made text styles. So if you want to change anything, you can click on this and to change. If you want to undo anything you have done, like you want to go back, just click on this and to go back. Yes. Then once I have done it, color. So this now is a white text. If you want to change it to this color now, it will change, or any color that you want. You see that Canva automatically sampled all the colors from these images in this design now. You see, anything you want, it's already done. You can just say let's use this dark brown. And if you watch, this background it obeys the color of what contrast. This is already a dark background. This background now is dark, and if you use a dark font color, it would the contrast will be very low. So let's use this. Then you can actually drag this to rotate this font. So you can rotate it to be horizontal now. So if you can't find the horizontal, if you want to make it exactly horizontal, you can actually go to position and advanced. And when you go to advanced, you will see this rotate. You see the degree minus 1.9. So when you change it to 0, it will be exactly horizontal. Now after that, another test tool is okay, I've done font size, I've done color. Then this format tab, when you click on it, you can format the text. Right now this font now can be bold and can be italic. So let's change the font to something you can utilize. Let's change this font to Poppins. Then when you go to this format, you can see you can make it bold to be bold. You can underline it. You can strike out. Then this is to make it all caps. So when you click on it, to turn everything to caps lock. Then this italic, you can make this font italic. So let's change the font again. let's try it and see if you can make it italic. You can't. Let's change the font again. Let's use something like that. Times New Roman. You know that Times New Roman is a serif font. Serif fonts are fonts that you can see a little, it's like a tail. So this is a serif font, and it's not generally good to be used in all this design. I just want to show you an example. If you click on this eye now, this Times New Roman will just change to italic. You get. So let's change it back. Let's make it bold and all caps. Now, animate. This animate is for you to, maybe if you want to animate the text. Icing, the brighter. All these things are not generally used for flyer design. The only way you want to maybe make an animation. Then effects. Okay, this spacing. So you can have letter spacing. You can see how we change this. Or you can have line spacing. I want to make this two lines. Then I make these 2 lines. Then this line spacing is just to increase the space between the 2 lines. So this fourth line spacing is 1.4, and data spacing should be 0. Now text effects are really good if you want to beautify your text. This is outline, thickness, this is white, change the color to white. Okay, okay, let's change the color to white. Then font color should be the dark color. You know, see, these have already changed the look of this font now, this text now. So these are text effects. So you have various text effects for style or for shape. If you want to make this curved, actually make it a curved. Yes. See now, a lot of things you can do with this font tools and other ones. Then when you go to transparency, you just to increase or decrease the opacity of your design. So if it is 0, you can't see anything. 100, you can see everything. Then layers. Layers. When you click on layers, you see everything you can see here. So everything you can see here are in these layers. So for instance, if you move this text to here and click on layers, you can see this now. If you want to move it to the back of the photos, you can see anything. I see you move it. So you can also use this ellipsis, these 3 dots, to also change the position of the text. So send backward, send forward, bring to front. So this is position. Now you can also use this position tab to do that. Backward, 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 forward, forward, bring to back, bring to front. I'll talk about this position. Then notch is just to move anything in small inches. So right, left, and so on and so forth. Then more is the same thing as 3 dots. More. So now let's go to photo. When you click on any photo, you see the photo too. When you click on this place, you bring out the photo tab. So you can replace with a photo from your gallery. When you click this is your gallery, it will automatically upload from your gallery. Or when you go to this uploads, you upload by your file. Okay, let's go back. Then photos. This is Canva photo library that I told you about. So you can replace it with photo like this. Also replace with a video. For them. Then okay, let's look at photo tools. So I've told you about replace, color, then effects. When you click on this tab, you will see more tools. So this background remover is for pro users, people using Canva Pro, Magic Edit. All these are actually found in the Magic Studio. The Magic Studio I told you about, you saw in the homepage. These are Magic Studio. Are you not seeing? This is Magic Studio. So everything here is in the Magic Studio. So the only thing that you can use as a free subscriber, a free user, is this Magic Edit. But that's by the way. We're not going to use Magic Edit. You click on this effects. So this effects, so these are just, it works like filters. And blur, when you want to blur the image, blur the image. Then apps, the apps I told you about, these are apps related to photo editing, mockups, colorize, pixelify, blend. This blend is for pro users, color mix, 3P. So we're back again from where we stopped. We're done with test tools. We are going with photo tools. So when you use filters, you already know what is filter. Most of you are photographers. You use your phone, you upload on Facebook, on WhatsApp, so you know what is filter. So filters are pre-made adjustments you apply on photos. So color pop, filter, so a lot of them. Effects, we already did effects. A lot of effects you can use. Then adjust is for you to use your hand and make the adjustments by yourself. Let's remove this filter first. When you remove the filter, then adjust the temperature, make it more warm or more cool. First of all, let's increase this image so you will see. Let's move it to front, then increase the size. So any effect you are doing, you will see it more clearly. So adjust brightness. You can adjust anything, saturation, anything of your choice. Then you can crop. You know what is a crop. You can flip horizontal or vertical. There's a lot of tools here. Animate, transparency, layer. And position is the same thing. Position it to move forward, back, or align to the top, the bottom, to the right, to the left, center, etc. Then notch, as I said, to move it in smaller amounts. Or you can also move it with your fingers. Then info is to have more information about the photo. And also, this see more like this, you see more photos of foods. So you see a lot of them are for free. Let me just use this pizza photo.
So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. You guys have seen virtually everything you need to create your first graphic design on Canva. That's if you're completed one on Canva. and the only thing left is like elements. When you click on the element tab, you see shapes, graphics, even photos. So you can select anyone of your choice that's free. So the shapes are free actually. Shapes are either lines, squares, circles, polygons, a lot of them. You can also see rounded rectangles, rounded squares, and you can change the style. So you can increase the corner edges of the rounded figures. You understand? So that's actually everything you need to know now on Canva. So for your projects, I want you guys to design a simple graphic. So you can just go in and select a template of your choice. Select a template of your choice and customize. So you can you should write your name. So I know that you didn't just go and download the template. So when you click on the template, so you customize. You can customize the colors and do the text. You also customize the text for your name. So you can say beauty loves graphic design, or Chisom loves graphic design, or children love graphic design, something like that. So after that, you don't download. How you download is you click on the share button on the top right of your screen. You click on the share button. That is an arrow going up. Click on the share button, then you now see download, share, and all of that. So you don't download. That's just it. After downloading, send your project to the project group. You understand? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.